Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to hide sort by best-selling in Shopify collection page. So currently we're in our Shopify collection page, and here when you go to sort by, you can click on it and the drop down will show you best-selling. So if you want to get rid of best-selling or if you want to hide best-selling, in order to do this we need to go to our Shopify dashboard. And here in our Shopify dashboard, we're going to click on Online Store here in the sidebar. And then we're going to select Themes. We're using the Dawn theme. And we're going to click on the three dots here and go to Edit Code. So we need to put in the code to make that disappear. So while we're here, we're going to select Theme Liquid. And in Theme Liquid, at the end, we're going to add a code. So we're going to add the code before the end of the body. So we're just going to give a space here. And we're going to paste the code. Now this code will be in the description down below. After the code is pasted, we need to click on Save. Save can be found at the top right corner where we can see Save and we're clicking on it. So after pasting this code, we're going to click on Save. As you can see, asset is saved. So now we're going to go over to our collection page to check if it worked. And now after refreshing, we're just going to go over to sort by and click on the drop down menu. And now you can see that best selling is no longer there. So this is how to hide sort by best selling in Shopify collection page.